Hello and welcome to Christ Center Gamers' latest unwrapping. There's a box in here somewhere, but this is a keyboard, and it's a small keyboard at that. So let's see what we got sent here. It's got bubble wrap. It is well protected. Alright, so what do we got? It's a lot of bubble wrap. Dang! Okay, this is Epomaker 68 keys. Good thing I waited to do this. I was gonna say 67, but 68 keys. So it's not gonna have the number pad, which I really like. But they do have other ones. But let's see. This is my first time checking out Epomaker. So it's a 65% Type C wired Hall effect RGB gaming analog keyboard. Say that 5 times. Alright. The box makes it look bigger than it really is. This is tiny. It's so little. It's light. 3. Oh, sounds cool. It feels great. My husband is on the other side of the table and he really wants to touch this. If you want, you can touch this. I don't care. You can reach over and touch it. You gonna wait? Okay. He's really chomping at the bit. He wants to touch this. But, wow. It's so tiny. So yeah, it's got RGBs. I should plug it into something. But let's see. We got a card with 3 QR codes. It's got a manual, software, and Discord. What else do you need? So for best performance, calibrate the Hall effect keyboard via software in wire mode after unboxing, switch swaps, and as routine maintenance. I don't think I really calibrated. And it's got that in like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 other languages. So 9 languages on that little card. Then got it in a lot of languages. Oh, it's got the function key combinations. This is going to be handy. Function plus space. You hold it for 5 seconds. Will reset the keyboard. FN and up and FN down will change the backlight brightness. It's good to know. Function page down will toggle backlight RGB colors. So I'm guessing it's built in. I'll have to see what the software is going to say, but stay tuned for our reviews for that one. And apparently it's got a function left and right will toggle the backlight speed. And function plus delete will turn on and off the backlights. So if you want to have a professional look, I guess you can turn that off. But it does really come in handy for dark environments. Alrighty. It does have dynamic keystrokes, or DKS. They warn you that some FPS games may ban these features. So use at your own risk. And then we get into like, I'm assuming German, some pretty cool sounding words. Hintergrundbeton, something like that. But you gotta say it in an angry voice. Alright, so, braided cable. Nice, classy feel. Alrighty, we got a screwdriver. Trying to figure out what this ribbon is for. There's like, and then we got a, oh, they're so nice. They gave us a couple extra switches. Because, I hate to say it, these might be needed. So I have had switches go bad. So yeah, extras are definitely appreciated. But yeah, when switches go bad, I start swapping out for keys that I don't use very often, but this keyboard doesn't have much to sacrifice from. So I'm going to need all 68 of these, I think. Alright, so key puller. Let's test it out. I don't know what I want my sacrificial key to be. I'll go for home. Come on. See? Clear. And it's back. So yeah, this is handy. So it doesn't have a thing to prop up the keyboard, so there's no, you lay it down, this is what you get. So that's different. It feels really cool. It's super duper light. I got a Leobog keyboard. It's not this small, but it's heavy. It's like, you know, metal and all that fun stuff. But, well, it does say light. So this is the HE68 Lite. Takes 5 volts. Rated current 220 milliamps. So yeah, so now we'll just have to plug. Oh, I found it. So this comes off. My husband's still looking over. He wants to touch this. I know he does. So...
No, the strap, you're supposed to screw it into that spot.
Oh, yeah. So, alright. So, that, yeah, there's something. So you can screw this in. There you go. And they give you the screws and everything. Let me put the strap. And this. So, yeah, I don't even know if I want. I guess if you take it with you, strap is handy, but I'm not going to carry my keyboard around like a purse. It just stays on my desk. So, yeah, they got a picture of it with the little strap holder on there. So, anyways, but that's all that's in the box. Not much on instruction manuals, but the key combinations do come in handy. I look forward to checking this puppy out in the next week or so, and I'll write a review. See how well I do without my number pad. But it does feel nice, and it looks cool, and it matches my white case and all that fun stuff. So stay tuned. Thank you for watching. Hope you found this unboxing video somewhat entertaining, informative. Stay tuned. God bless.